This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Dorr-Fagan. Nestled among majestic pine trees, enjoy the peacefulness of this beautiful 2,802 square feet custom home in Caldera Springs. Fabulous location on a 0.33-acre lot that adjoins Sable Rock Park and overlooks the pond. An incredible floor plan with all the special touches you would expect in a custom home, including a beautiful kitchen and dining area that opens up to an oversized covered paver patio with a gas fire pit and hot tub. Vaulted great room with a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, hardwood floors, master suite on the main, heated master bath floors, office/den with barn doors. Upstairs has 2 additional bedrooms, one is an ensuite, bonus room plus a great bunk room. A wonderful home to gather friends and family. Enjoy all Caldera Springs amenities, skiing at Mt Bachelor, fishing, hiking, paddling on the Deschutes and more. Furniture included.